Hilda Baci has set the world and the internet on fire for breaking the Guinness World Record of the longest time cooking by an individual, and the person that broke the record last was Lata Tandon, an Indian woman, for the duration of 87 hours and 50 minutes. And Hilda Baci has broken the world record, and she has also set a new world record, which is 100 hours and 40 minutes. So before I get into the video, I want you to subscribe and watch the video to the end. Thank you. Hi guys, my name is Beloved Ayomi and welcome back to my wonderful YouTube channel. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, please make sure to subscribe, like my videos and share to your families and friends. So the purpose of this video, as you have seen from the title, I'm going to be talking about Hilda Baci she's a Nigerian that broke the world record for cooking by an individual for 100 hours and 40 minutes, and that I'm very proud. But before we get into the video I want you to know a little bit more of Hilda Baci. Hilda Baci is a Nigerian. She's from Akwa Ibom State. Her full name is Hilda Baci. She's born on the 20th of September 1996, and she's a Nigerian chef, restaurateur, she's actress, and so on and so forth. So before we get into the video, on 23rd of March, Hilda Baci announced that she's going to break the world record for because the person that broke the world record last is an Indian woman, which is Lata Tandon, and she broke the world record for 87 hours and 50 minutes or 40 minutes. Hilda Baci is having she wanted to break the world record for 88 hours, but after that she's so much inspired and that she's going to do it, and she set a new world record of 100 hours. So what is this video about? I just want to tell you about how she broke the world record, what has inspired me from what she did, and so on and so forth. I just want you to stay tuned and keep watching this video to the end. So on the 11th of May 2023, she started cooking, and that is when the timer started clicking, and she cooked for 4 days straight without because in the rules of the game, which is she's cooking by an individual, she must not take any energy drink, she must not take because she has to stand, she can't sit, she just has to take glucose, eat, take water, she must not take coffee, she must not take something like that. So I think in an hour maybe she have to rest for 5 minutes or 6 hours, because they have given her all the rules and she followed all the rules, and the timer is running. And Hilda Baci cooked more than 100 meals, both local dishes and international dishes, Nigerian dish, and I'm really happy because a lot of Nigerians really support her in making I don't know if it's a goal or it's a dream of ours to come true, but whatever it is, Nigeria really inspired her, and people really stood by her when rain was falling, when sun was shining. People were there day and night for 4 days straight. And before I move on, also the vice president of Nigeria also gave her a call. The governor of Lagos State also come there to support her. Different kind of celebrity also came there to support her, like Fuse, Tiwa Savage, Spyro, Tenny, and so on and so forth. So different celebrities came there to support her, and even people from Nigeria, Nigerians themselves, they came there to support her. And there was a lot of drama. The food is good, everything is good, it is well organized. There are different kind of brand really sponsored her. Dano, Uber, Wood Space, and other different kinds of brand really sponsored her. And if it's a goal or a dream, it really came to pass. It really inspired me from what Hilda Baci has done. She really inspired me, and she kept me going forward in everything you are doing, because you don't have to relent. You have to keep moving forward and keep doing what you are doing. If there is no one to support her when she's trying to break the world record, she won't be able to make it. I'm not talking about she won't be able to do it. She can do it, but maybe without the support of people, without the assistance and support, and because even her mom was also supporting her. She was giving her all the best advice. She was talking to her, and thankfully she broke the world record and set a new world record again. So that really inspired me. And from that, there was a woman from Kenya, who she's from Mombasa. I've forgotten her name. She wanted to break the world record before, but I think people don't really know her, and she doesn't get the kind of support that she's looking for in breaking the new world record. So she wasn't able to break the record then, but I think I saw it on Instagram that she wanted to do some first trial of breaking of doing 45 hours straight. So as I've said, like, she doesn't really get the support she needed then, so that's why people doesn't really recognize her of breaking the world record. I don't really know what happened. Maybe she wasn't able to complete breaking the record, but now she said she wanted to. And also a guy, maybe is he a Ghanaian guy, or I don't know, he said he also wanted that he also wanted to break the record, but we are still waiting for him to break the record. But I'm really inspired by Hilda Baci, and even I'm really happy for her. One thing I learned from Hilda Baci cookathon is that endurance. Like, she tried to, because of how people were inspiring her not to give up. Like, if you can see the video, guys, I'll show you how people are like enduring, not to give up, inspiring her not to give up. She also endure, and like cooking 4 days straight without like sitting down, even not resting for a very long time, not sleeping. Guys, that is a lot of endurance, and some people can't even do up to that. I'm not saying because of anything, but she endured. And number 3 is that creativity. Hilda Baci cooked more than 100 meals, over 100 meals, and in international dishes and local dishes, and some of those meals are not easy to cook, and she's standing there. She has not slept for days, and she's still cooking. Guys, that's a lot of creativity, and I really appreciate what Nigerians themselves have done, because that is the main thing that make me do this video. Like, you have to be so supportive in whatever you are doing. Like, if Nigerians have not inspired her, celebrities, Nigerians themselves, in terms of sun, in terms of rain, they were there for her. Her mom was there for her and everything. I hope you watch this video, and I hope you guys have learned 1 or 2 things from my video. And if you have not subscribed, please make sure to hit up the subscribe button, like this video, and share to your families and friends. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Please, guys, please follow me on Instagram at belovedayomi1, and follow me on Twitter too. That's my that's also my Twitter page. And yeah, follow me, hit me up. And guys, please, if you want to support us in any way, everything is down in the description box. Everything is down in the description box. So if you are coming to Kenya to study, please hit me down in the description box of visa processing. If you want to do your visa to come to Nairobi, to come to Kenya to study, to visit, everything is down in the description. Just get back to me, and I will reply you immediately. So thank you for watching. Peace. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at belovedayomi1. Yes, bye.